There's a tape, but the tapes are gonna take.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna try and destroy and like kill the shadow monster dude with only Viltrimite fish. And if we die, we lose.
Let's go.
Alright, guys, let's go.
Official.
Autobots, roll out. Oh, guys, now I wonder what this place is.
Hit it.
What?
No.
How we started, or we just?
Oh my voice crack.
Here we go. Run, run.
Okay.
Oh my god, I see it, bro. It's massive.
Yeah. Even massive bird. No, only those right there. Only those right there.
Oh, Viltrimite.
Wait, how do you damage it?
Oh, you gotta hit the side. Like the red part.
When a part of his body turns red, you can hit it, and when it's you hit it.
It's shooting lasers at you.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Ah, I'm stuck. Ah,
That's not a good thing. Hit his knees! Get his knees!
get his knees. Break his ankles.
Why is it only aiming for me? Die! Oh no, man. Wait first. Just try and juke it as much as you can. When he's shooting lasers, just fly around in like a bunch of different directions. Does he have a health bar?
Oh yeah, it's at the top.
Oh, that's his health bar?
Yeah. Bro, why is he
Never mind.
targeting you?
I missed. I know, bro. It's cause like It's cause I'm obviously invincible, bro. What do I do for this? This is my first time ever seeing this boss actually.
In the blue, you like land there, and then you see the hit it.
Oh. When you shoot the lasers, just fly like really high. Damage. My health is yellow right now.
Ah!
Oh, I gotta fly away. Look. Alright. Oh, we can get his knees now.
Bring his knees.
Wait, does his head do the most damage?
I don't know.
Like when his head is red, can you damage that? Wait, you gotta dig? Guys, why are we in some infinite Tsukiyomi, bro? Where are you?
Hitting him. Oh, I'm inside of him. Caught.
That's cool.
Oh, let's go. Run.
Oh,
I'm getting stuck into him.
I'll save you!
Okay, so when you start doing the ascendant thing, usually you have to dig, but you can just fly straight into him and then it's just hit.
Oh, so when he's sitting down, just go like flying.
Yeah, like when he's ascending.
Like this? Like when he's doing what he was just doing?
No. Like when he's ascending.
Like fully sitting down?
No, not sitting down, it's like when he was ascending.
Oh my goodness, bro. How much health does this guy have?
I don't know. All I know is that it has increased by 30%.
Look at this health bar. We're almost done.
Yeah, but like, we're almost done too.
But that doesn't matter. What's up?
He's almost dead. He's almost dead. Guys, he's low. He's low. Oh, he's like, he's good. Oh, he's just hidden. No, I didn't make it in time.
I'm in.
Kill him, kill him. Do damage, do the damage. Do the damage, bro.
I'm stuck.
Bro, he's so low. Go!
I'm trying.
Bro, you're literally doing 1 pixel of his health for every 25 hits. You know, I don't know if anyone's actually ever done this before. We're probably the first people to make this video. Oh, his rings. He's almost dead. He's 1 pixel, like 1 pixel. Oh! He's 1 hit, bro. He's actually like 1 hit.
We did it. We did it.
Yes! Oh yeah! I got a couple company coins and I can't even see how many.
Wait, we should see if we can beat the mimics.
Oh, mine's blue.
You're what?
My thing's blue.
Oh. They're right here. Oh, never mind.
Well, you can't put
Oh
these
yeah,
in
these are
backpacks.
mine.
I'm gonna use these
Oh,
to
here's
fly
the key.
around just to...